morning, guys. September 24, 2024. This one I gotta go do a burner service on a burner. I do the oil service on this thing every year. Guy calls me and go over there and check the filter and change the nozzle and clean the head and let it rip, potato chip. I gotta shut this thing off, and it's got a been running clean. Should be a power switch. Here it is. I gotta go check the filter. The oil tank was a present from his wife. I'm not a big fan of these valves. Definitely not. Jiminy Cricket. Jiminy Cricket. Oh. Club City here. Oh, wow. Wow.
Unknown caller.
City. Oh yeah, look at that muck in there. Oh yeah, she's a nasty one, Mom. You crazy shit. Look at that. Look at that. Bio slime. Bio slime. Gross. Little bio slime from hell. I usually like to get that jism out of there. A little brush. Flipping bio slime from hell, Mama. RF1. RF1. This is what they call a general. Smaller. Call a general filter. There's a gasket on here that's usually fine. Usually not an issue. There's a little bleeder right here. It should be able to. Should be able to bleed it. Should be a 5/16. Open that up and let the air out. Let the air out. The water starts coming. Either that or I could just pull it through the other side, pull it through the pump. Here it comes. She's a leaker. It's all bled now. We'll check this on the way out, make sure it's not leaking, but it should be fine. Bio slime. See, this is not all black. See how it's white? That's a good sign. Been running good, been running clean. Lint. That's lint from the dryer. It's not good because all that shit gets on the blade inside. I don't like that. Raises havoc. Raises havoc with the blade inside. All that lint. Not the best thing. I've seen the blades get all full of the lint. Bracket AFG. Good burner. Plate's pretty clean there, see it? I'll get that plate nice and clean. Doesn't take much time to clean these things up a little bit. Alright. While you're in here, try to keep the stuff clean. It's a carburetor cleaner. Stuff does wonders. Carbon off the thing. Give them a new nozzle. Yeah, these things have been I usually just bend them if I need to. Check the nozzle, see if there's any muck on it. It's clean. That's a good sign. $75.80 is what I put in there. There's electrodes back in. Be like maybe a 16th in front or something. That's good. What happens when the spark, the fan blows and the spark will go out like this, goes out and then back, and then the oil fires the oil. Will it run? Will it run? Runner. He's a runner. Last year was new nozzle, new pump filter, good oil flow. So I didn't change the filter last year. Alright, so new filter at tank, new nozzle, clean burner head. I wonder how long I've been coming here. Since 19. So that's 5 years already. Wow. Five zones. 5 zones. Plus an aqua bank. Feeds off the tankless.